Hey everybody, these guys sent me this Bridika solar fence light package. I'm doing an unboxing and review. These things can act as solar fence lights or solar wall lights. Ooh, look at these things. They're very attractive looking. Give you a couple mounting screws there, and then some templates as well, where to put the screws. Panels on top. It even gives you a dimension there on how far to put your screws on center. The charge time, they say, is 4 to 6 hours under direct sunlight. And then the work time is 12 hours. So that's pretty good. You can charge them for 4 to 6 hours, and then you get 12 hours of light off a fully charged light. Just pulls right off of there. Super easy. And then right under here, you can see out of the package that's in the off. There it is in the on. So I'll tell you, these things, it's only charging when the switch is in the on position. If you put it in the off position, it's not going to charge. Kind of neat. And you can see too, because the panel is facing the ground, that's why the light's on. As soon as you pick it up and give it some light, it turns off. And these things are waterproof and dust resistant. When placing these things too, they recommend that you place them away from like bright street lights, because it could possibly cause this. You know, if it's detecting light, it might cause it not to turn on. All right, what I've got here now is my cordless drill, screws, and the template. All right, you kind of want to pick a spot where it's going to get some sun. You obviously don't want to put it in the shade. Go ahead and mount it right up here. One of the nice things is they give you 4 of these templates, so you can actually just leave the templates right in place. It'll be covered up. So I've just kind of started the screws there. So the idea here, just to demonstrate, is to put those. You want to drill them in far enough to where the thing's not going to stick out. But the nice thing about that template is you can just hang it right on there. But I'll screw them in farther because you can see how far it sticks out. All right, there we go. There's a picture of it in the daytime mounted, and then it's going to wait till dark now, and show you how it looks at night. Almost. Let's see if it'll come on if I cover it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at these. These are very nice. They're doing exactly what I wanted to. The sun just went down and they came on. That's nice. Well, you can put them on the ground too by your camp spot or your trailer. They work really good. They're light and mobile.